I let my plants stay outside overnight. Yes, in the rain. Okay. Oh, kasi it's not allowed to have plants in your balcony. Your plants must only be inside your own door but not in the balcony. So that's why I let it stay there overnight. Kasi hindi kita sa gabi. Ayan po, para makatikim naman sila. Wala talaga silang ulan. Uy, oo, tsaka hamog. Wala silang ulan at hamog. Ngayon lang po. So, it's different. They're so happy. Look at them. Blooming, ha? Okay, tingnan nyo po. That's my ribbon plant. Ito po ang ribbon plant. And this one is my oregano. Yung oregano, may kangkong pa ako dyan. Tingnan nyo yung kangkong ko na napakapayatot. Po, I have this one syngonium. Okay, nag-iisa lang siya. Okay, ayan po, wrinkled yung kanyang mga dahon. At saka ito. Oo, nagtataka ako kung bakit yung snake plant ko, when it had babies, hindi na po, stick ang kanyang leaves. Medyo malalapad na po. Snake plant naman siya talaga. Pero, hindi ko po alam kung paano tumutubo yung stick. Stick lang na, siguro sa mga garden, no? They did something to this para maging snake plant siya. Pero, yung tumubo na babies, iba. Hindi stick. Hindi po like mother, like babies. Ayan yung mga babies niya. Ilan na ba yung babies dyan? Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 babies. Wow! Para may isa pa dun, Wow! Pang 7. Ang galing, no? Okay, just grow. Maging healthy yung ating mga Pero basta sa water propagation talagang mas effective para sa akin. Tingnan mo yung pothos, enjoy na yan, Yung iba hindi masyadong healthy. Kulang ng tubig yan. Ito, look at my pothos, enjoy. Yes, 4 na siya, guys, because I separated when I replanted. Separated ko yung ito. We can actually make some propagation here. Ito, i-cut natin yung mga nodes. Ayan, may aerial roots na siya. That is a good sign. Ito, this is a separate plant now. This one is also a separate plant. And that one, which I planted in Cloud's litter box. Kasi he outgrew his litter box. Kaya nilagyan ko na lang siya ng plants. Ayan. Okay. So, look at this. Ito yung water propagation natin a week ago. Tingnan nyo po, meron na siyang, teka, I don't know if you can see. Ayan po. Meron na silang roots. Clear siguro. But anyway, ayan mas clearer. Ayan po, mas clear siya, Clear siya, meron na siya. Pero, tingnan nyo, yung leaves lang, hindi talaga tutubo. Pag merong nodes, tutubo siya. Look at this. Ito, they are drying up already. Kasi leaves lang sila. Yan walang, pag wala kang nodes, leaves lang siya, wala talagang tutubo. I knew it. Pang lang naman, pang decor. Additional decoration. So, ito medyo mas matagal yung kanyang, mas matagal yung kanyang life dyan. Mas malaki naman kasi siya. Pero wala talaga. Basta walang nodes. Pag may nodes ka, there is hope for life. Ayan katulad po niya. Nakikita niyo po. Pero pag walang nodes, leaves lang, wala po talaga. Okay, so that's all for our updates. Ating garden update. So this is Simply Jane saying, thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye for now. And see you around. Bagyo. Ayan, mga bagyo sa labas. Let's make a new jacket for Cloud. Ayan So the hood, I got something here. So I made his hood already and we can sew it very soon. Let's try to sew. So ganito siya Ganito siya. Yung hoodie niya, ganyan. Yung hoodie ni Cloud, ganyan po. So, I actually made use of, I just tried. Try lang po natin kung kaya, no? So, I still have another pair of shorts here, which I will also convert into Cloud's. Yes, ayan. Because I'm no longer using the shorts and my daughter will not use it as well. So, walang gagamit. Okay, sayang naman. Oo, mukha pa naman siyang bago. At saka ang cute niya, di ba? Cute ng kanyang prints. So, I can't go to Divisoria or to Baclaran to buy. It's raining. Oh, para may project tayo for the rainy days. Ganyan po ang gagawin natin. Oh, cute ng panda kaya, oh. Hello, Lady Pandakex! Mega love shout out po. Ayan, gagawa tayo ng bagong jacket. So, I just followed the, ito, ayan, at tatahiin natin siya. Kasi ito, medyo luma na at saka, wala siyang change of jacket eh. Mas mabait si Cloud pag may jacket siya. Ayan, okay. So, okay na.